How to make people respect you if you're quiet. 10 habits to command respect instantly. Number 1. Always have slow, relaxed movements. Move with calm. Take your time to think and act intentionally. Slow, relaxed movements exude confidence, showing you're neither afraid nor under pressure. Each step reflects a quiet strength, unaffected by the chaos around you. No matter the challenge or intensity of the moment, stay composed, grounded, and in control. Let your calm presence speak louder than words. Number 2. Hold eye contact. Maintain steady eye contact. Even in conflict, it's a sign of strength and confidence. Many struggle to hold a firm gaze, but if you can, you'll instantly set yourself apart. Resist the urge to look away. Staying focused shows you're unshaken and in control. This quiet power earns respect and leaves a lasting impression. Let your unwavering eyes speak volumes, commanding attention without saying a word. Number 3. Be non-reactive. No matter the situation, staying non-reactive signals deep confidence in your ability to handle anything. It shows a quiet strength that speaks louder than words. Guard your attention carefully. Don't waste it reacting to everything around you. When you respond selectively, your actions carry greater weight. Reserve your energy for what truly matters, and let your composure become a mark of your inner power. Number 4. Carry strong body language. Walk with purpose. Keep your head up and shoulders back. The way you carry yourself speaks louder before you even say a word. Your body language sets the tone, shaping how others perceive you from the very first moment. A strong, confident posture commands respect and ensures you're taken seriously. Let your presence do the talking, making an impression that lingers long after you've entered the room. Number 5. Have a good physical appearance. People treat you the way you look, an undeniable truth. People often judge based on what they see, so make it count. Build a strong, healthy body that reflects discipline and confidence. Invest in quality clothes, wear a captivating cologne, and carry yourself with pride. Your presence speaks before you do, so let it convey strength and self-respect. Appearance isn't everything, but it's a powerful first impression. Use it wisely. Number 6. Be as big as your audience. Match the energy of your audience. Take up space with confidence and authority. Expanding your presence physically and through expressive hand gestures projects dominance and assurance, especially when addressing larger groups. Stand tall, move with purpose, and use gestures that fill the room naturally. Command your space without overdoing it, letting your confidence shine in a powerful yet effortless way.
Number 7. Your tone plays a crucial role. How you come across is mostly determined by your tone. Don't sound like you're asking them a question. It undermines your confidence. Instead, speak with authority and purpose, letting your voice reflect self-assurance. Adapt your tone to fit the situation, whether it calls for strength, calmness, or empathy. A commanding tone not only earns respect, but also reinforces your presence in any conversation. Let your voice convey unwavering confidence. Number 8. Speak slowly and use pauses between words. Speak slowly and deliberately, using pauses to draw people in. A well-placed pause creates anticipation, keeping your audience hanging on your every word. Time your pauses for moments when your message matters most, amplifying its impact. Don't let others interrupt. Hold your ground and make it clear you're not finished. Your controlled pace and thoughtful delivery show authority, ensuring your words resonate and command attention.